Let's talk a little bit about easy meal prep. Hello, I'm Sylvia, host of The Silly Kitchen, and I want to talk to you a little bit about preparing yourself using Farmway foods to help you make really easy snacks and lunches throughout the week. One of the wonderful things about the way Farmway Foods packages they're everything. Specifically, I'm speaking about chicken breasts today, is that they come individually vac packed. So you can choose how many you thaw out and use at any given time. Usually on a Sunday or a Monday, I will take out extra chicken breasts or even the boneless, skinless turkey breasts, same type of idea. And I will bake about 6 or 7 extra breasts so that I have easy lunches and snacks for the next few days. It's that easy. You have quality protein ready to go for all your little snacks, lunches, and meals for the next few days, easy peasy. You're probably wondering, but Sylvia, I don't want to eat the same flavor every single day. I want to have variety. Well, that's all right. I got you covered there too. Thaw out your chicken breasts, get them in your favorite pan, depending how many you're cooking, and then raid your cabinet and see what kind of spices you have to season your chicken. I have 6 pieces of chicken here, so I'm gonna go with a Cajun on 3 of them, and I'm just, in the pan, gonna dribble a bit of this seasoning all over those 3 pieces. And then I decided I don't wanna have Cajun chicken all week. I wanna have some lemon and herb chicken as well. So my other 3 are gonna have some lemon and herb seasoning on top. That's it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And because I'm doing 6 fairly sized chicken breasts here, I'm gonna go about 40 minutes. If you forget to set a timer, not to worry, just use a meat thermometer once they're cooked to check that the internal temperature is 165 degrees. I love taking those extra few minutes on a Sunday or a Monday, getting myself ready for the week because it's so easy. You can choose your flavors and it just goes in the oven and out of the oven. I recommend storing them in the refrigerator in a container whole, and then as you want to have a chicken breast, take one out, chop it up, and use it how you want to use it. A couple examples for you. I love throwing some of this chicken into a delicious salad. Even grab some Farmway bacon and put that in your salad with the chicken. Wraps are a great idea. Chicken salad sandwiches, oh, delicious. Even just chopping it up with some veggies, hummus, and dips and having it as a little snack while you work or while you mosey around doing something else around the house. The options are endless. Do it once on a Sunday, and then you have lots of meals for the days to come. I hope you enjoyed this quick little episode about meal planning and using Farmway Foods chicken breasts for your next meal prep day.